It can sometimes be hard to tell if a girl sees you as a good friend or something more. If she has feelings for you, you might notice her making lots of eye contact or giving you shy glances before looking away again. She might also fiddle with her hair, clothes, or jewelry a lot. Pay attention to whether she leans in close to you, brushes up against you, or gives you light touches while you're talking. You might also notice that she is quick to laugh at your jokes, even when they aren't that great. Pay attention to what she says to you, too. If she seems to know a lot about your interest, or if she compliments you often, those are good signs that she has feelings for you. You might also notice that she calls you or texts you often just to say hello. The only way to know for sure is to ask her directly. Take her aside somewhere private when you're both feeling relaxed and say something like, "How do you feel about me?" Or, "Can you see us becoming more than just friends?"